Hello? Up for auction are 5 Flintlock pistols. These are replica pistols, meaning that they are non-firing. They're props, display items. They do exhibit good craftsmanship and, have wooden and iron and metal and bone and mother of pearl inlay and some brass, etc. But they are non-firing pieces meant for props or display. Our collections are great conversation pieces. These are estate finds. All of them do work in the sense that the lock does fire with the trigger. These are all flintlock types. Again, the element is the design piece. You know how cool they are. They are, looks like they're older. They could use some cleaning. This is a nice heavy one. They're just under 2 pounds. They range from 17 inches long to 21 inches long. This one is very solid. This one has some mother of pearl, I believe, inlay, and is, mostly the wood that gets your attention. Again, just crafted as props or replicas. You can check out the pics for more details. Very cool items. Thanks for looking. Have a good New Year's.